Bonjour! Welcome to another simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a natural exchange between two people talking about their families. Stay until the end, where we'll review useful words and phrases from the dialogue with real examples. Let's begin.
Tu as des frères et sœurs? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Oui, j'ai une sœur et un frère. Yes, I have a sister and a brother.
Ils sont plus jeunes ou plus âgés? Are they younger or older?
Ma sœur est plus jeune, elle a 19 ans. Mon frère est l'aîné, il a 30 ans. My sister is younger, she's 19. My brother is the oldest, he's 30.
Et que font-ils dans la vie? And what do they do for a living?
Ma sœur est étudiante en biologie et mon frère est ingénieur en informatique. My sister studies biology and my brother is a computer engineer.
C'est super, ils ont l'air intelligents. That's great. They sound smart.
Oui, je suis très fier d'eux. Yes, I'm very proud of them. Et toi, tu as des frères ou des sœurs? And you, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Oui, j'ai un grand frère. Il s'appelle Karim. Yes, I have an older brother. His name is Kareem.
Il fait quoi dans la vie? What does he do?
Il est professeur d'histoire dans un lycée. He's a history teacher at a high school.
Tu t'entends bien avec lui? Do you get along with him?
Oui, il est gentil et toujours là pour moi. Yes, he's kind and always there for me.
C'est important d'avoir une famille soudée. It's important to have a close-knit family.
Je suis d'accord. Et tes parents, ils font quoi? I agree. And your parents, what do they do?
Ma mère est infirmière et mon père est retraité maintenant. My mother is a nurse and my father is retired now.
Et ils habitent près de chez toi? And do they live near you?
Oui, à 10 minutes en voiture. On se voit souvent. Yes, 10 minutes away by car. We see each other often.
C'est génial. Moi, mes parents habitent loin, à Marseille. That's great. My parents live far away, in Marseille.
Tu leur rends visite souvent? Do you visit them often?
J'essaie d'y aller une fois par mois. I try to go once a month.
C'est bien de garder le contact. It's good to stay in touch.
Oui, la famille, c'est ce qu'il y a de plus précieux. Yes, family is the most precious thing.
Absolument. Je pense la même chose. Absolutely. I think the same. Well done. You just followed a practical conversation in French. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases you heard, complete with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Frère,
Brother,
sœur,
sister,
famille,
family,
mère,
mother,
père,
father,
étudiante,
student,
professeur,
teacher,
ingénieur,
engineer,
lycée,
high school. Verbs,
avoir,
to have,
être,
to be,
faire,
to do,
s'entendre,
to get along,
habiter,
to live,
voir,
to see,
rendre visite,
to visit. Adjectives,
jeune,
young,
aîné,
eldest,
gentil,
kind,
fier,
proud,
soudé,
close-knit,
précieux,
precious. Prepositions,
près de,
near,
loin,
bark,
dans,
in. Great job! You've just learned how to talk about family in French, discussing siblings, parents, their jobs, and your opinions about them. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the dialogue to build your confidence and fluency. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. A bientôt!